Okay, I'm running back in. Okay, it's done.
You got the key to the van?
I didn't lock it.
Oh my goodness, even setting up the cameras, setting up the drone, and now filming this bit is freezing my fingers off. I can't believe she just did that. A couple of years ago we saw some other guy doing it, and we thought, oh yeah, lol, funny to do that. But Gabby's been doing a lot of wild swimming recently, so yeah, she wanted to do it. But I'm gonna pack away, go and make her a cup of tea.
We were just about to leave after our lovely stay at Balja Ežeras. We just had our breakfast, had a walk, did a little dip in the lake, and we're just about to start the van, and guess what? It didn't want to start. Not the happiest face there.
I don't know what's happened. I'm not sure if it's the split charge relay has given up and is letting by somehow and has been allowing us to discharge the van battery, because the leisure batteries are quite low. They're at like 11.9, so yeah, I don't know, maybe a combination of that and the cold weather. It's -2 degrees today. Maybe the battery's just given up. I've got a spare battery at home actually, a Mercedes battery. Damn.
Shame we didn't bring it.
Damn. Oh.
I did go and ask some people if they could help us jumpstart the van. We've got all the cables and everything, but they had really new car, and so they didn't really want to. I think they had a bad experience before, and they didn't want to help us.
Oi, what a palaver. Really nice guy came and helped us just now, but I feel like a bit of an idiot. I can't believe this has happened. It's definitely a lesson. I'm definitely going to go ahead straight away and buy a jump pack that's big enough for this van. Don't want to be caught short like this again. I can't remember the first time Gabby brought me to Balja Ežeras, but we always make an effort to go there when we're in Lithuania. There's a paved road that takes you to the main car park of the lake, which most people go to. There are toilets and other amenities, but also no off-roading and no forest. I know which route we prefer. Snow has always been such a wonder growing up in the UK. The slightest chance of snow would bring incomparable excitement as a child, and as an adult. In Lithuania, bearing with negative temperatures for at least 3 months of the year and no chance of missing school unless it's below -25 degrees Celsius seems ever so extreme to me, yet so normal to the people here. The weight of the snow on the branches of the trees is almost a reminder from nature that there is a higher power, a stronger power that we can't comprehend. The animals and humans both tucked away in their homes, taking a moment to reflect on the respect that they have for Mother Nature, an annual check-in with reality, if you like, an annual reminder of the delicate clutch that Mother Nature has on us, a reminder of how important it is that we don't push her limits. The landscape transforms, almost as if when there is a large snowfall, the world has in fact actually been absorbed into a black hole, and we've all been transported to another dimension where everything is covered in snow. Everything's frozen. Water is not water anymore, and the world is beautiful. Nothing makes a 1960s built Soviet block of flats look as romantic as when it's dusted in snow. In reality, it's only cold water, but what an effect, what an influence, what a change of perspective, what a chance to reflect. I will always try not to take snow for granted. For some it's the biggest inconvenience, for some it causes misery, but for others, the novelty never wears off. I hope in years to come that the cold weather will still be cold, water will become ice, and I hope that future generations will know what it is to build a snowman, or to be hit by a snowball, or in fact to go swimming in a frozen lake.